When blue litmus paper dipped into a solution of hypochlorous acid, it first turns red and then decolorizes by HOCl. Here HOCl act as. Option B, acid and bleaching agent. Because it is acid, blue litmus turned red. Because it is acid, blue litmus turned red. Because it is a bleaching agent, that red color finally disappears, bleached. Hope it is clear. See, this is an acid. Therefore, blue litmus turned red. Hope it is clear. Now, this is also liberating nascent oxygen. So, it acts as a bleaching agent. So, blue turned red. Okay, after some time, that red is decolorized. It is bleached away because it is a bleaching agent also. That's it. And the bleaching action is due to liberation of nascent oxygen.